How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the door seal. As you can see, mine is really bad, beat up. You can buy replacement seal at your local hardware store or online. If you're interested, I can drop a link below. I only needed one. Everything else looks fine. Replacement process is actually super easy. We're just gonna pull off this old strip and it's gonna come right out. Okay, old one is out. Just gonna put the new one in the reverse order of removal. I like to start installing the new one from the top. You just get this groove and put it inside the door. Push it in, but then make your way all the way to the bottom. And then here we're gonna have a little bit of excess that we need to cut off. And that's pretty much it. Looks really nice and clean. I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.